Hey everyone, and welcome. So over the last couple of years, my team and we've gone through, probably more than 100 AI tools. But today, I'm going to show you 11 really special new tools that most people aren't even talking about yet. And listen, if you just get good at these, you can seriously build a great side income and make some real money. So let's just jump right in.
Everyone's talking about AI, and a lot of people are, they're scared, right? Scared that AI is coming for their jobs. But I want you to remember this one simple thing. AI is not going to take your job. A person using AI will. And that's exactly why it's so important to start learning how to use these tools today.
Okay, so here's the game plan. First, we'll cover the new rule of work in this AI age. Then, we're going to look at some mind-blowing tools for all you content creators. After that, we'll see how you can automate your business. Then we'll talk about your very own personal AI assistant, and finally, how you can make money with some very specific niche skills. Ready? First things first, let's talk about the new rule of work. The single most important thing to get is this. The future really belongs to the people who figure out how to use AI. It's not the tool itself that matters. It's how you use it, how creative you can be. That's the real secret.
So let's be very clear. You are not competing against some robot. No. Your real competition is other people. People who have already started using these tools to work faster, to work smarter, and to get better results. Learning this stuff is how you get ahead of the curve.
All right, this next part is for all the creators. This section is for anyone who has a brilliant idea in their head but thinks, making videos or good quality content is just too hard or way too expensive. I promise you, these next few tools are about to change everything for you. So the first tool is making massive waves online. It's called Sora. And what it does is, it's pretty much magic. It's a new tool from OpenAI, and it creates these unbelievable, super realistic videos from just a little bit of text. You literally just type, "a dog riding a skateboard in New York City," and poof, it makes a video of it. It's insane. So the big question, how do you actually make money with this thing? Well, it's simpler than you think. You could create amazing video ads for local businesses in your area. You could start a YouTube channel and make shorts that go viral. Or you could just go on a website like Fiverr and start selling custom video creation services. Think about it. Product demos, themed video packs. The list goes on, because almost nobody knows how to use this yet. And look, this is already happening. People are making YouTube Shorts with AI tools just like this, and they're already earning anywhere from $50 to $300 every single month. That's real money, just from a simple side project. And Sora is really just the start. Check these out. There's Yip.ai, which lets you make unlimited and free AI images, perfect for selling social media content packs. Then you've got Fish.audio, which creates AI voiceovers that are so good you can offer services for like 90% cheaper than a human actor. And with WRD.ai, you can edit videos right in your web browser and offer super fast video editing gigs. Okay, let's switch gears from creating content to automating a business. This is where things get really powerful. And this part isn't just for creators. This is for anyone who wants to build a proper business by working smarter, not harder. Let me introduce you to a tool called N8N. Now, it's what's called a visual automation tool. What on earth does that mean? Basically, it connects all the different apps you use and gets them to work together, automatically handling all the boring, repetitive stuff for you. You can literally think of it as your own personal robot employee who never sleeps. Let me give you a super simple example so it makes sense. Step 1. A trigger happens. Let's say a new email arrives in your inbox with an invoice attached. Step 2. N8N sees this and automatically performs an action, like copying that invoice. And finally, step 3. The result is delivered. N8N saves that invoice straight into your Google Drive. All of this happens while you're doing something else. You didn't have to lift a finger. That's automation.
Now, here's why this is such a valuable skill. Businesses, they will pay a lot of money for this. I've personally seen people sell just one of these automated workflows for up to $2,500. Why? Because for a company, it saves them hundreds of hours of manual, boring work. That's a massive return for them.
Next up, let's look at tools that basically act as your personal assistant. I'm talking about tools designed to make you way more productive and, get this, help you remember literally everything. Have you ever been doing something on your computer, clicking through a bunch of steps, and then later you completely forget how you did it? Well, say hello to Rewind. This tool records your screen and audio, creating this perfect, searchable memory of everything you see and do.
You can even ask it to automatically create a step-by-step guide based on your actions. It's amazing for making training documents or just for yourself.
And by getting good with tools like this, you can start offering some really cool professional services. With Rewind, you could become a productivity consultant or sell meeting transcription services. And with another amazing tool, Google AI Studio, you can learn to build custom chatbots for businesses or help them connect AI to their other software.
And for our last section, let's dive into some tools for very specific but also very high-value tasks. These are the kinds of tools that solve really annoying problems that professionals deal with every single day.
Let me ask you something, and be honest. How many of you just hate making presentations? You know, staring at that blank white slide? Yeah, me too. Well, check this out. The solution is called Slides.ai. It actually works right inside of Google Slides, and it's like having an AI co-pilot. You just give it your text, and it designs an entire professional-looking presentation for you in just a few minutes. It picks the layouts, it finds pictures, it makes the whole thing look fantastic. It's a total game changer.
And okay, here's another one. Do you ever wish you could sound just a little more confident, a little more clear when you're speaking in a meeting or giving a presentation?
For that, there is Poised AI. It is literally like having your own private communications coach. As you're speaking, it gives you live feedback on things like your talking speed, your clarity, and even if you're using too many filler words like or ah. It helps you get better in private, so there's no pressure.
And our last niche tool is something called LM Arena. This one is really cool. Think of it like a boxing ring for AIs. It lets you put two different AI writers, like ChatGPT and one of its competitors, side by side. You give them both the exact same prompt and see which one does a better job. Knowing how to pick the best AI for a task, that's a super valuable skill for any AI consultant.
So, how do you turn these niche skills into cash? It's pretty straightforward. With Slides.ai, you can sell presentation design services. With Poised.ai, you can actually offer communication coaching. And by using LM Arena, you can consult for businesses, helping them choose the absolute best AI model for what they need. These are high-value services that people are happy to pay good money for.
So, there you have it. 11 incredibly powerful tools that can genuinely help you build something new and earn some serious money. The tools exist, the knowledge is out there, the opportunity is right here in your hands. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build first?